They've gone around it, but unless you want some of your Gucci and Christian Dior.
Only a Louis.
Yeah?
It's only a Louis.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
What? Can eat it. When there are you don't have many people, you can be marked there. It's always good to go there. You should see a group of people. But see, if you see this side, you don't have a wind problem. You also have places on the other side. So there are glasses. I hope it's filming something. Tunnel. Remember how we went last time? We were just
to be honest, I think yesterday my brain was not quite full. It's very confused. And I think that's also some of the dehydration. Your brain starts to...
yeah. You think too much. You're overthinking your health. What?
Even in Spain, this is something like
Can stand, yeah.
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 Huh? They're full.